When you're creating your fabrication and assembly drawings, it's very important to have clear and accurate dimension. OrCAD X Live DOC provides you with robust industry standard dimension controls. From the toolbar, you can select linear, ordinal, or angular dimensions. To add dimensions, select the first point of the dimension. Then, select the axis for the dimensions to be added. Then click on the subsequent other points which need to be dimensioned. Hit Enter to add the dimension lines to the design. You can select the dimension and move it after you've added it by dragging the pink drag handle to put the dimensions exactly where you want them to be. Dimensions can be customized to suit your standards. You can specify the font size, the font color. You can specify whether or not the dimensions are aligned with the text or horizontal or vertical. You can specify trailing and leading zeros. You can specify the arrowhead style and also the line size. You can also specify whether or not you want to include secondary units and what the secondary units are. Finally, you can append or override the text associated with the primary and secondary dimensions, specifying whatever additional text you want to include. Typically, all of your fab and assembly drawings will use the same standards, so once you set them up, you can hit Use as Default and then all new dimensions will follow your settings. Along the lines of dimensioning, LiveDoc also supports all standard ISO and ANSI page sizes.